In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create custom fields in QuickBooks Online. Custom fields let you track the details that matter most to your business, beyond the default options. Think of things like a job reference number, delivery instructions, or a salesperson code. By the end, you'll know exactly how to add one and make it show up on the forms you use every day. Start by going to the top right of QuickBooks Online and clicking the gear icon. This opens your settings. If you don't see the option we're about to use, make sure you have the right user permissions or that your plan includes custom fields. From the menu, select Custom Fields. This is the hub where all your existing fields live and where you'll create new ones. You'll see a list if you've made any before, plus a button to add more. Click Add Custom Field to create a new field. This opens a panel where you define exactly what the field will do. Begin by giving your custom field a clear, descriptive name. Use something your team will instantly recognize, like job number or delivery note. A good name helps with consistent data entry and makes reports more meaningful. Avoid vague labels or overly long names. Next, choose the data type for the field. Depending on your plan, you'll typically see options like text, number, date, or a drop-down list. Pick the type that best matches the information you'll collect. For example, use number for quantities or IDs, date for deadlines, text for brief notes, and drop-down when you want a controlled set of choices to keep entries consistent. Now select the category for your custom field: customer, transactions, vendor, or project. Choose customer if the detail belongs to the customer profile and should follow them across forms. Choose transactions if you want the field on sales or expense forms themselves. Use vendor for supplier-specific data, and project if the detail is tied to a specific project. This choice determines where QuickBooks stores and organizes the field. After that, select the forms this field can be applied to. For transaction fields, you can enable it on forms like invoices, estimates, sales receipts, bills, or purchase orders. Turn it on only where it's needed to keep your screens clean and your team focused. Once everything looks right, click Save. Your new custom field is now ready. The next time you create or edit one of the selected forms, you'll see the field appear for use. You can always return to custom fields to edit, hide, or repurpose it as your processes evolve. That's it. Simple, flexible, and tailored to your workflow.